We would like to thank Rota and Partspro for collaborating with us for this limited edition wheel. I think this is the first time that Partspro and Rota release a limited edition wheel for a club.
Actually, I was surprised that it really looked very nice. The black is very deep and the offset is very aggressive, so I really like it.
We were surprised how good is the quality ng mags, even the color, lalo na yung pagka-gloss ng black, for me, nakakuha yung pinaka-color na gusto namin talaga.
I want to thank Rota Philippines for inviting us, the club, over for a tour in their facility. I was really overwhelmed and really thankful, and then more power to Rota.
Grabe, ang ganda. Nag-iba yung itsura ng kulay sa actual picture. Parang worth it talaga yung bili ko. Saka limited edition talaga siya. For our group lang. Grabe, ganun pala ginagawa yung mga mags ng sobrang pulido.